Hi guys, and welcome to the competition for ARMagic. Now in this competition, the lucky winner can win a copy of ARMagic plus my amazing bonus pack for the front end. Now, as always with these competitions, there can only be one winner, and if you're not lucky enough to win, just check out the description below. You'll see a link across to my bonus page where you can lock in ARMagic and my amazing front end bonus, all my bundle bonus through that page. And I've got an amazing bundle bonus. I've actually got two white label apps, brand new, ready to go with everything included, including sales page setup, logo design, hosting. Everything you need to get those off the ground is included in that bonus, so make sure that you check it out. So without further ado, let's pick the winner now. So going to pick, wrong button. I'm going to pick a winner and I'm going to choose from all comments. So good luck to everyone, and I appreciate everyone who enters these competitions. So good luck, and here we go. So the winner is user MZ7RN6SI5N. Again, a great competition. You might win, or just having fun with the promo video and all the extra bonuses from Richard and his crew. So congratulations. Just open a support ticket and we will get you set up with everything you need. And remember, if you want to lock in my ARMagic bonus, just check out the description below. So thanks for watching, and watch out for the next video.